Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Tech Jake, back again with another tech deep dive. If you're looking for a projector that's designed for serious performance in classrooms, lecture halls, or corporate spaces, the Acer Education UL5630 Projector might just be what you need. And if you're thinking about picking one up at a special discount, don't forget to check the link in the description below. Alright, let's get into it. Ultra-short throw, massive projection. This thing comes equipped with an ultra-short throw UST lens system, which basically means you can get a huge 120-inch image from just a short distance away. Perfect for tight classrooms or conference rooms, and yeah, no annoying glare or shadows on the board. Bright, crisp, and 4K ready. Now let's talk brightness. 4,500 SI lumens. That's more than enough to cut through daylight and deliver clear, vibrant visuals. Whether it's PowerPoint slides, 4K videos, or detailed charts, it all looks sharp thanks to the UL5630 resolution, which is actually sharper than Full HD. D-ILA technology, next-level visuals. Acer didn't cheap out on projection tech. The UL5630 uses D-ILA technology instead of basic LCD or entry-level DLP. Translation? You're getting smoother visuals, deeper blacks, and richer, more accurate colors. That's a big win for both educators and business users. 20,000 hours of laser life. Let's talk about reliability. This projector runs on a laser light source rated for up to 20,000 hours in eco mode. That's years of use without having to worry about bulb replacements, less hassle, more uptime. Built for collaboration. The UL5630 shines in collaborative settings too. It pairs flawlessly with interactive whiteboards and touch-enabled projection surfaces. It's a natural fit for STEM classrooms, digital art labs, or any space where students or teams need to engage hands-on. And yeah, it's super quiet, so it won't ruin your Zoom call or classroom concentration. Clean, professional look. Design-wise, it's compact, modern, and wall-mount ready. It blends nicely whether you're in a traditional classroom or a sleek corporate boardroom. Plus, its anti-dust design cuts down on maintenance, especially in high-traffic environments. Eco-friendly and smart power management. Acer's keeping it green too. The UL5630 automatically powers down when it's idle and sips energy in standby mode. And with no hazardous mercury inside, it's better for the environment and your electric bill. Quick recap. Why buy the Acer UL5630? Top features. Ultra-short throw, big screen, minimal space. UL5630 resolution, sharper than Full HD. 4,500 SI lumens, bright, clear visuals. D-ILA tech, rich color, deep contrast. 20,000 hour laser light, built to last. Touchscreen compatibility, perfect for interactive learning. Modern design, blends into any space. Eco-smart, low energy, mercury-free. Perfect for STEM classrooms and digital labs, lecture halls and auditoriums, training rooms and corporate offices, public displays, events, or workshops. So yeah, whether you're setting up an advanced classroom, a boardroom, or even a public info kiosk, the Acer Education UL5630 Projector brings high-end performance with low maintenance and a sustainable footprint. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more amazing tech reviews and breakdowns.